So one thing from the Magsafe Duo is that this can be good for traveling. So with just one cable we can power this entire Magsafe Duo, with the iPhone charger being here and the Apple Watch charger being here. But you know that you can also do it like this. Yes, this is now very convenient because you just need to slip inside a bag or a pocket, and then if you want to use it, just all you need is one cable, not multiple cables like last time. So just all you need is one cable. You just plug into this is a lightning cable, by the way. When you open it, you just put the iPhone, Apple Watch. Pretty simple. Let's get this video started. What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Niveth 123, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Magsafe Duo charger. So what does this do? It charges your iPhone, which is only supported via Magsafe, and this Apple Watch charger over here. And so as we go towards the back of the box, you can see here it is a Magsafe Duo charger, and this is the Magsafe Duo charger itself, and this is the charging cable, lightning to USB-C, and this is the power adapter. Power adapter is not included, by the way, and this is how Apple would have intended it. As you can see here has the Magsafe Duo charger, designed by Apple in California, and it is compatible with the latest version of iOS and Apple Watch with the latest version of watchOS. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's open this box. As you can see here, we have the Magsafe Duo charger itself, and as you can see, it folds just like that. We have the Apple logo here. It's pretty nice. Let's set that aside for a bit. And we have the instructions, designed by Apple in California, 2020 Apple Incorporated. So as you can see, safety and handling. These are all the safety instructions. And here's the regulatory compliance information. As you can see here, it is in EU, it is in different languages. And here we have the warranty summary. Yes, this comes with Apple Care. If you want to pause the video, you can just read all of this. And here we have the USB-C to lightning cable itself. So the lightning bit goes into the Magsafe Duo charger like so, and the USB-C port goes into some other charger, which we'll test out the Magsafe Duo in a bit. So this is all that's included in the box. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's open the packaging of the cable first. Cable done. Now let's move on to the main event, the Magsafe Duo itself. Let's peel this off here. And the Apple Watch charger. The back of this also. We didn't notice that. Okay, so not only you can charge your Apple Watch like this, you can also charge it like this. So your iPhone goes here and your Apple Watch goes here. Let's connect this to a charger and set this up. Okay, so I've connected the Magsafe Duo charger with the lightning port over here, and the USB-C part of it is on the PC underneath this table. So we have this iPhone 13 Pro Max here, as you can see, and this is the phone that supports Magsafe, and I'm going to place it over here. So as you can see, it is charging the iPhone 13 Pro Max using Magsafe. Magsafe is sort of wireless charging, and if we place a non-Magsafe supported iPhone like this 10 over here, then it'll just charge like that, no problem. This S20 F8 I'm recording right now will work with it just fine. Doesn't matter what device you're on, as long as it supports wireless charging, then you're good to go. Now we have this Apple Watch over here, and we're going to charge it like here, like so. As you can see, it is charging. So the ideal part of this is that you take your iPhone 13 Pro Max, you line it up like this, and your Apple Watch, and there you go. You have an iPhone 13 Pro Max and an Apple Watch Series 4 charging together without the need of additional cables. You just use your lightning cable here, and you can just plug it into the Magsafe Duo charger, and you can charge your devices simultaneously. Or you can take your non-Magsafe supported device, and you can just charge it like that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.